Yo, what's up, Grindgang? I'm back. It's your boy, Roll 100. I hope everybody having a beautiful day, a blessed morning, a wonderful afternoon. Hey, look, I hope wherever you at, whatever you doing, it's all good, you feel me? It's your boy, Roll 100, and y'all already know we doing our Instacart vlog, and today we about to go do some Instacart. Right now, I'm going to my favorite area that I like to start off in. I'm in some serious traffic right now because I caught an early shift, which I'm starting at 9 today. I usually do like 11 to 2 or 11 to 3, something like that. But today I'm doing a 9 o'clock a.m. shift. I usually don't do it in the area that I like so much because of the rush hour traffic and what you have to go through just to get there. But anyway, we're gonna take the ride today. You could probably tell if my window is not too dirty in the back, you could probably tell by all the traffic behind me that I'm not moving very fast. I'm stuck in it, but we're gonna get it going. Hey, check it out. So today, it's a couple of things I want to talk to you about. First things first, I hope everybody is inspired and I hope everybody is motivated on their own already when they woke up this morning. But if not, I hope after watching my video that you inspired or you motivated to go out here and do what you do. You whirling with me right now. This is the Roll 100 experience, and basically what I'm doing is showing you how I do so that you can enjoy videos and see how to operate on these platforms through my experiences. Maybe it's something that you want to do. Maybe it's something that you're already doing, and you want to add. You want to add something to your repertoire, something to make you better at what you do. Then check me out, man. I try to leave as many tips as possible. I try to share when I make mistakes. I try to share the right ways to do things when I find out I did something wrong. I try to share the best possible ways to maximize your income. I will never lie to you on this channel and tell you that I can guarantee that you're going to make tens of thousands of dollars or whatever it is, because I really can't guarantee what you'll make. What you make is based on, well, one of the number one things that is based, that how much money you make is based on your own personal motivation and your own personal inspiration. So if you get up every day and you go get it, then yeah, you probably, don't have any problems getting money. You know what I'm saying? But also, when you're doing food delivery, when you're doing, when you're a courier, or when you're driving for Lyft or Uber, if you're gonna depend on that to pay your bills, feed your family, and listen, you can very well feed your family off of working for Lyft or working for Uber or working on these food delivery platforms. I mean, some of them maybe not, but depending on your grind got to be there. Your hustle got to be there. Y'all see me today. Y'all see. Some of you may be aware already where I got this shirt. Some of you guys may not know, and you might want to know. I'm not going to keep it a secret. I definitely will leave a link in the description to where I got this shirt. And just so you know, I don't get any money for advertising or promoting it. I just saw something that I liked, and it caught my eye because of what type of person I am and how I go get the bag daily. So I inquired and I came up on this nice shirt. I actually got 2 or 3 of them. So